Welcome, I'm Crafty Maryanne. Today we're going to set up a UV light curing box used for curing resin. Alright, so let's look at the pieces that we've got here. Here, that's a thank you. This looks like a base. It looks like it's going to be really easy to put together. So it comes with a little screwdriver and some screws and some rubber bands and a crazy kitten. Oh, where was I? Alright, so it comes with power, the screws, little screwdriver, wing nuts, elastic bands. There's our UV light bar. This piece right here is what's going to turn. That way the UV light can go all the way around your resin mini when you're curing it. Beautiful. So far so good, going together really easy. This is the back, which is where our power cord and our light bar will get screwed. Alright, so we have the basic box built. As you can see, it's all come together nicely. We still need to screw in our light strip and our door. But let's go ahead and take a minute and use our little rubber rings to secure the box so it doesn't come undone while we're working on it. So to do that, we just take and pull it a little bit. We're going to go ahead and get this light screwed in place. And it appears that all I have are little screws and little wing nuts. Or not a wing nut, I'm not sure what it is. Looks like there's two types of screws here. I think I got the wrong one. So now that we have the UV light installed, the only thing left to do is to screw in the door. Well, now that we've got it all built, I will say I did put the side panels on backwards, and so that made it so this little switch on the inside it wouldn't line up with anything to screw it in place. So I just had to switch the side panels back because the side that takes the little door, it's just a little spring, and that lets it know that the door is closed, so it's okay to use the UV light. And that's this little spring here. So there's a little cutout, so just make sure that the side with the cutout is where it's got the two holes on the side for screwing it together. Wanted to show you that it's working. It'll beep because the door's not closed, but you push the little spring and it's good to go. And it is turning, it's just doing it slowly. Let's put a piece in there so you can see. Isn't that amazing? It's so exciting. I do have some other resin prints up on the table. This is for a 15mm game called Pocket Tactics. This was a print that my partner did for a painting contest. And these are rats for one-page games. The little wrench is very handy, and a screwdriver. You're going to have some extra screws, and there's only going to be 2 screws that have a point on them. And those 2 screws come in on the front side to hold the door latch. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment area. I'd love to hear from you, especially if there's something you want to see painted or made. I'm going to leave all the information, not just for the UV light box, but for the games as well that we're displaying today, down in the description below. Thank you for joining Crafty Maryanne. Have a great day.